Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Kamarul Nazmi bin Kamarul Zaman from RK12 Material Engineering, and today I will present to you about joining carbon, graphite, or carbon-carbon composite. For introduction, I will tell you about carbon, or also known as carbon fiber reinforced polymer, or also known as CFRD. CFRD is commonly used in aerospace application, automotive, and sport equipment. It is commonly used because due to its properties. The properties of CFRD is extremely strong and like fiber reinforced thermoplastic that is which is contain carbon fiber, and also it has high strength to weight ratio and high stiffness. For the basic fundamental of this type of joining, there are three types of joining. For the first one is adhesive bonding. Adhesive bonding use binder to bind two components together. The surface of material that we use must have a good wet ability properties and also need to have a good contact angle when applied. If doesn't have a good contact angle, the binder is not successful and make the sample can crack due to the pressure that have been applied. For the second type of joining is SPR, or also known as self-piercing rivet. SPR has four processes. The first one is clamping, and the second one is piercing, the third one is flaring, and lastly releasing. And it has six things in it, which is punch, blank holder, die, rivet, punch sided sheet, and die sided sheet. For clamping process, where the material has been clamped together, and for the piercing, when the pressure has been applied on the rivet, the sample have performed plastic deformation, and when released the pressure, the rivet has been sunk into the sample. For the last one of type of joining is laser assisted welding. Laser assisted welding has two type of process. The first one is laser deep penetration welding, which has high laser power intensity that large than 106 watt per cm cube. And the second one is laser beam conduction welding, which is lower than 106 watt per cm cube power intensity. For laser deep penetration, create the keyhole that affect the weld zone, and laser beam conduction create weld nugget. Every type of joining has its own common issue and failure. In this type of joining, which is adhesive bonding, has its common issue. When apply adhesive bonding, there's no need to be rushed and need to proceed carefully, because we don't want to create bubbles in it. When the bubbles are formed in the procedure, it will create the pores, and not all the surface has been contact. For SPR technique, or self-piercing rivet technique, it need more workload to apply pressure on it, and it also has problem in aesthetic finishing appearance. And for the laser assisted welding, it also can leave porosity and welding defect. If the power laser higher than 700 watt, the size of porosity are increased. For the recommendation in improving the joining, right now the latest technology that has been used is LAMP, or also known as laser assisted metal and plastic direct joining process. This technique can improve the effectiveness and less error during the welding. It can absorb laser beam energy, the sample itself, and create the weld pool. It also can be boost the laser beam absorptivity by using sandblaster. That's all from me. Thank you.